Hello everyone, welcome to our second Little Monkeys lesson. My name is Adam Sensei, or Lauscher. Good afternoon to you. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Okay, we're going to go over our vocabulary again, practice our animals. Let's take a look at them. I'll say each of the animals twice. Bear, bear. Kangaroo, kangaroo. And we have a mama kangaroo and a baby kangaroo, and so that's two kangaroos. Two kangaroos. Fox, fox. Tiger, tiger. Monkey, monkey. Panda, panda. Zebra, zebra. Lion, lion. Elephant, elephant. Koala, koala. Giraffe, giraffe. Gorilla, gorilla. So I hope you enjoyed practicing your animals, and now we're going to look again at 5 Little Monkeys. Let's read 5 Little Monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called a doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now we're going to have a little bit of practice to see what we learned from that lesson. So, how many monkeys were there in the beginning on the bed? On the next slide, you'll see a square, that's the bed, and there'll be circles, which are monkeys. And we have to see how many circles fit on the bed, and the same number of circles as monkeys in the square. So here we have the bed, and we have 1 monkey. We have 2 monkeys. We have 3 monkeys. We have 4 monkeys. We have 5 monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. What were the monkeys doing? They were on the bed. What were they doing? They were jumping. What were the monkeys doing? They were jumping on the bed. And what happened then? Well, one and bumped his head. What did he do to bump his head? He fell off. He fell off. One fell off and bumped his head. Okay, now we have a little worksheet to practice what we've done. As always, start by putting your name at the top. I'll put Adam Sensei, Lauscher, depending on where you're watching. Okay, so our first question. How many monkeys were there in the beginning? Write a number, and also trace the grey letters in red. There were on the bed, and you have to put how many monkeys there were in here. Now what were they doing? Trace the grey letters in blue. They were on the bed. You trace this word here. And what happened to them? You can circle the right answer. Was one very hungry and ate some bread? Was one very sad and bumped his leg? Or did one fall off and bump his head? Okay, now we have to see, what did Mama do? Again, have 3 answers. Did she call the teacher? Did she call the doctor? Or did she call the papa? Now, number 5. What did the doctor say? Write the missing word in blue. And the doctor said there were no more monkeys on the bed. And you have to put in the right answer here. Good luck. Thank you very much for your hard work this lesson. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye-bye.